Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is we want to first know the requirements here. So for Cash App, you can only receive Bitcoin. So in this case, you first need to get your address here, but also remember when you're making a transfer here, you can only transfer Bitcoin. So first, get your address for Cash App. So we want to go ahead and open up Cash App here. And next is you want to go to the banking app icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now go and click on it, and this is what you'll be seeing. Now, when you're looking for is going to be the Bitcoin option. Go ahead and click on it. And from then on, all we need to do next is we just need to click on the option that says deposit Bitcoin. Now you might need to scroll down a bit, so just scroll down a bit and look for deposit Bitcoin. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up our Trust Wallet. Now this is the Trust Wallet UI here, so in this case, go ahead and open it up. And from here, you want to look for Bitcoin. So go ahead and click on your Bitcoin. Now, by the way, if you have, like for example, you have ETH or BNB, make sure to swap them first to BTC in order for you to make the transaction. But in this case, once you have this on BTC, click on BTC or Bitcoin. And from then on, click on the option that says send. And from here, just enter the address or domain name here and the amount that you want to send. And from then on, confirm this. Just click on next. And from then on, you should be able to send your crypto from your Trust Wallet to Cash App. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you in the app. Thank you for watching.